Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen here at Nuts and Twigs. Today we're whipping up something super fast, easy, and savory. A vegan grits recipe with mushrooms and collard greens, and it's ready in 15 minutes. First, get those quick grits cooking by combining veggie broth, plant-based milk, nutritional yeast for that cheesy-ish flavor, a bit of butter for creaminess, salt, and garlic powder. Get those going and then add the quick grits. While those are bubbling away, we'll saute our mushrooms on medium heat in some olive oil or vegan butter. If you encounter a sticky situation, add a little more oil or some broth or water to get things sliding again. Toss in the garlic and saute, then stir in the collard greens until heated and sauteed for about 7 or 8 minutes. Then add the paprika, red pepper flakes, a tiny bit of maple syrup, and plenty of salt and pepper. The beauty of this dish, it's not just quick, it's versatile. If you like a savory breakfast, a cozy lunch, or even a comforting dinner, then this meal is for you. And trust me, the blend of creamy grits with the earthiness of mushrooms and the greens sounds simple, but it's delicious. And there you have it, folks, a savory vegan bowl of goodness that's on your table in no time, full of flavor, full of nutrients, and most importantly, full of plant-based goodness. Go to nutsandtwigs.com for recipe details and explore more nuts and twigs made delicious. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy cooking.